Have you ever wondered if Christians could unite not just for a day, but forever? Imagine a world where Catholics, Orthodox, and Protestants join hands as one. Could this ever happen? Let's explore. For over 1,000 years, Christianity has been divided. In 1054, the Great Schism split the Church into the Catholic Church in the West and the Orthodox Church in the East. Then in the 1500s, the Protestant Reformation caused an even bigger split, creating countless denominations. But here's the amazing part. Despite these divisions, all three traditions share the same roots, the teachings of Jesus Christ and the apostles. They all believe in the Bible, the Trinity, and the death and resurrection of Christ. In fact, they even share ancient creeds like the Nicene Creed, recited by millions across the world every Sunday. So why the division? Disagreements over authority, tradition, and doctrine. Catholics uphold the Pope as the spiritual leader of the Church. The Orthodox follow their patriarchs, and Protestant leaders emphasize Scripture as the final authority. These are not small differences. But here's the good news. In today's world, something amazing is happening. Leaders from all three traditions have begun speaking a new language, the language of unity. Not a unity that erases differences, but a unity that celebrates our commonalities while acknowledging our differences. In recent years, we've seen more ecumenical meetings, joint prayers, and even cooperation in defending Christian values. This new spirit of unity shows us that, despite our differences, we have far more in common than we realize. But let's be honest. The road to unity has been long and at times painful. Centuries of division, mistrust, and misunderstanding have created deep wounds. It will take time, patience, and a commitment to dialogue to heal these wounds. Some say it will take a miracle for Christians to unite. But here's what we know. Jesus Christ prayed for unity. When he said that they may all be one, he didn't mean that they should all become one denomination. He meant that they should come together in unity, love, and peace. So the question I want to leave you with is this. Can we, as Christians, lay down the walls of division and walk towards unity? Or will the differences that divide us be too great to overcome? I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about the Catholic Church, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.